What's up guys? If you want to see me day trade my small account live at the open, make sure you check out our live stream. It starts at 8:45 a.m. every weekday morning, and I go over what's moving in pre-market and then trade my small account live at the open. So be sure to hit that subscribe button guys and click the bell next to it if you want the alert every time I go live. This last week was pretty rough, so I'm going to start focusing on these three strategies. Remember guys, I'm not an investment professional and you have to make your own assessment of the market, but with all that being said, enjoy this video. Okay, so the first setup I'm going to be focusing more on this week is the break of the pre-market high. If you've watched any of my previous videos, I've made a decent amount of money on this one in the past, and it's definitely done me pretty well. I think the reason it works so well is because it's one of the first setups you will actually see available to you at the open, and so a lot of traders are watching for this one, which gives it a decent amount of momentum. This is a great example of it on FALC. Once it broke over that 35-cent pre-market high, it started to push up really nicely, and I can remember making money on this one. So hopefully I see a few of these available on Monday and I can make some money on my small U stock account. Okay, so the next setup I'm going to try to focus a little bit more on this week is the first 1 minute pullback strategy. If you don't know what that is, it's basically getting in after that first red candle on the 1 minute chart. This is a great example of it here on MNKD. It pushed up nicely at the open, but it needed that red candle to consolidate, and so once it broke past that, it started to push up really nicely as well. This one also broke that pre-market high, and so if you've watched any of my previous video lessons, you'll see that the more setups that are going on at the same time, the better your odds are in that specific trade, at least in my opinion, and this one pushed up really nicely as well. And so hopefully I see a few of these going on this week. It's usually a pretty common strategy. I just have to catch it at the right time and get in once it breaks that previous high, and if I do that, it should do me pretty well. And so like I said, hopefully I see a few of these and I can make some money on my small U stock account. Okay, and the last setup I'm going to be watching for this upcoming week is the reversal setup. This basically happens when a stock is either trending up or down and it breaks the trend, which usually occurs after it breaks over or under a previous high or low. This is a good example of it here on AGEN. This one was trending down that day, and when it broke past that previous high and reversed, I got in and made a decent amount of money on my small U stock account. And so hopefully I'll see this strategy a decent amount so far this upcoming week, and hopefully I can make a little bit of money with it with my small account. But with all that being said, that's the end of this video. Be sure to come check out our live stream. It starts at 8:45 a.m. every weekday morning, and I go over what's moving in pre-market and then trade my small account live at the open. So make sure you hit that subscribe button guys and click the bell next to it if you want the alert every time I go live. And with all that being said, good luck in the markets on Monday. Thanks for watching guys.